It's a gorgeous afternoon to get out and about if you can across mid-Missouri. Temperatures into the mid to even upper 60s across the area. A nice little north breeze keeping us dry. No humidity to really go around, but that's going to be a changing story as we're headed into the next couple of days as the Gulf of Mexico opens back up and we see the potential of some storms, especially into this weekend. But for right now, if you can get out and about, it is a wonderful day to do so. 47 overnight tonight, seasonably cool, not too out of the ordinary. A little bit warmer than where we were last night. Those winds eventually turning out of the south by tomorrow morning, and that will allow for a pretty healthy warm-up into tomorrow afternoon. We're some 10 to even 15 degrees warmer into tomorrow afternoon with those southerly winds taking over. We'll feel a touch of humidity, especially closer towards the Lake of the Ozarks tomorrow, especially if we can get into the 80s. It's going to be getting even warmer, though, into Saturday. We're into the low to mid-80s. Wouldn't be surprised to see a few folks get to maybe 85 or 86, especially south of Interstate 70 on Saturday. We'll feel the humidity in the atmosphere. And then overnight Saturday, going to be tracking some thunderstorms getting going across the region, with those storms lasting into the morning hours on Sunday. We were showing you this yesterday, how the Gulf of Mexico is beginning to throw a little bit more moisture our way. By Friday, starting to feel it just a little bit, and then really starting to feel it as we're headed into Saturday, that humidity really spreads itself across the region. And check out what happens as we head into Saturday. Watch how it starts to get erased. This is actually going to be that frontal boundary that's going to spark off that potential of some showers and storms. You can see by late Saturday night as that clash begins, we're talking about those storms getting going probably sometime after dark. At this point in time, the way the atmosphere looks like it's setting up, we could be talking about the potential of a large hail threat, potentially similar to what we saw late last March, on March 27th, with that large hail event that went through Jefferson City. Still too early to kind of pin down where that potential for large hail might be, but we'll be on the lookout for it and be tracking it as we head into Saturday evening, with those storms potentially lasting into Sunday morning. Looks like they may become a little bit more tame as we get some cooler air to build into the region. Beyond that, going to continue to track that cool down into next week with more storms by Tuesday.